So ladies and gentlemen, we are at it again. We have the top 8 meme coins that are under $1. I'm going to tell you guys right now that some of these are absolutely crushing it, and some of them, I mean, you guys, they're at those levels where we're going to be expecting a massive surge very, very soon. So let's go ahead and get right into the top 8 meme coins under $1. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 8 meme coins that are under $1. We're going to be diving down into the ones that are gaining a massive amount of attention. Not only that, I'm going to be telling you 2 that I think have some massive potential for some upside very soon. We're talking about multiple X. So getting right into it, you guys, we have the official Dogecoin. As you guys are already aware, I mean, this is the OG. It's been here for a long time, and look at this beautiful chart, you guys. It is just continuing to create what is known as higher lows, and it will probably continue to do so for eternity, you guys. Okay, so definitely going to be something very important that you guys need to keep your eyes on, especially whenever it comes to meme coins. And after that, we have the ultimate, can't forget this one, Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu looking okay, not my favorite here, but it is definitely well under $1, right? As you guys can clearly see here, sitting at number 19. I mean, this is technically the number 2 meme coin of all time, right? So definitely hanging in there. However, you guys can see it looks like it's slowly going downwards and not upwards like the ultimate Doge, right? We need to get some kind of reversal here for Shiba Inu. You guys can clearly see that it's definitely still holding around these key level supports, right? And it needs to get away from that and move to the upside very soon. Now, the next meme coin that I still think that has a lot of opportunity is the ultimate Pepe. I mean, look at this chart. This one absolutely looks pretty decent, right? I remember hearing about this thing right here, and I never got it, and I should have, right? But you guys will see right here, I mean, slowly creating higher lows, which is good, and that is what we want to see here. So it looks like Pepe definitely has some momentum to the upside. All right, now what comes along with the ultimate Pepe? Well, you guys, we have what is known as PepeCoin. So PepeCoin, this one originally has blown up like crazy, as you guys can see, right? Absolutely crazy. Hit all the way up here around like $5.80, actually over $6, excuse me. And it came down quite a bit, and looky here, you guys, we are back down at these levels. Okay, so you guys, the total supply here for this one is really low, only 107 million. So that tells us right now that there is definitely some massive potential upside for this thing. It's just kind of been trading flat for the longest time. It's slowly working its way back up, you know, up to the upside, right? So I'm going to tell you guys right now that this thing could absolutely do really good, especially if you can get in right now at these current levels. I mean, this is definitely a meme coin that I really think has a lot of potential, especially riding off the official name of Pepe. All right, then after that, what is meme coins without Floki, you guys? Floki, this one has not been doing the greatest either. It's definitely still hanging in there, trying to create these higher lows, but it's been struggling, right? Only thing I don't like is that Floki normally pumps up like crazy and dumps. Now, mind you, Floki has gained a massive amount of attention, and it's been creating a lot of utilities along with other projects. Not sure what's going on with that, but I will tell you guys that Floki definitely still ranks as a top tier meme coin since it's been here for quite some time, right? So obviously you guys can clearly see that. So Floki, definitely one of those great meme coins that you really want to keep your eyes on. All right, then after that, let's talk about what is known as Toshi. Now Toshi, you guys, this one I think has a lot of opportunity considering that the market cap is only at 232 million. You guys will definitely see that whenever it comes to Toshi, it is still creating higher lows, which is actually pretty cool, right? So we do have a low here, higher low here, higher low here, and higher low here. So that tells us that there is definitely some upward momentum. And I gotta be honest, you guys, I think that Toshi is gonna be able to do pretty good soon. After that, we got what is known as Moshi. Moshi, another top tier meme coin gaining attention. Now this one is only sitting at a $10 million market cap, which is super low. Now you guys will see that this one's just kind of trading sideways, hasn't been doing much, but there's a good possibility, you guys, if we can get some attention here, this thing could be pumping up like crazy. And then finally, finally, we need to kick it off with the ultimate mooding, right? So mooding, this is one I have absolutely loved for a long time. I'm going to tell you guys right now, whenever it comes to mooding, currently sitting around what, 18, 19 cents. I mean, this one recently hit a high around here, around like 30 cents. And you guys, it is definitely holding on pretty strong. Right now, it's currently kind of trading sideways. But I will tell you guys right now, whenever it comes to mooding, I mean, this is definitely one to keep eyes on because we could be looking for some massive upside very, very, very soon. So there you have it, you guys. We got Dogecoin, we got Shiba Inu, we got Pepe, we got PepeCoin, we got Floki, we got Toshi, we got Moshi, and then we have the ultimate mooding. So check it out and let us know exactly what you guys think. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to dive down into it. Check out those links in the description and let us know exactly what you guys think. And if you guys agree with me or disagree with me, be sure to leave a comment. Other than that, smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.